This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Ramona Green. Beautiful and tastefully remodeled 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,056 square foot house. Abundant natural lighting, mountain views, functional floor plan and inviting living quarters. Bedrooms are both spacious, each with a walk-in closest. Great kitchen with quartz countertops and plenty of storage. Fully fenced yard with lots of parking. So much potential to make this your primary residence, a rental, or even a vacation home. 30 minutes to Bellingham, 45 minutes to Mount Baker, 15 minutes to the Canadian border. For more information, review the details below or contact Ramona Green at 360-734-7500.